So I'm here on this 2006 Kia Spectra, and I need to change out this door handle. As you can see, it broke off on me. And so I thought I'd do a video on it since I didn't see any videos on this, in case somebody else has to do this. And so this is how I'm going to be going about it. And first you're going to need to order a door handle, and every door is different, so be sure to order the right one. I'll put the links below for the ones I bought. They're on Amazon. They're really cheap. I think I got this one for like 11 bucks, I think. So it's pretty cheap. The hard part is probably going to be swapping it out. But as I said, be sure you get the right one. As you can see, this is exterior door, front, and it's the passenger side. So I'm going to go and get started. First thing I'm probably going to have to do is take off the inner panel and see what I have to do to get in here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so there's a bunch of bolts we need to take off, and one back here. I got a little screwdriver right here. I'm just popping off these covers that go on here. It looks like there's two inside of here, and got one right up inside of these little pop outs. So they just pop out right there. One right there. Another one out here on the outside of the door. And that one is a Phillips. And it looks like another one is right here. And it looks like there's some underneath this handle right here, which I just started prying up. It just pops up. Alright, so that I pried that out. Might have been easier, but nothing broke, it doesn't look like. I just pried it out with a screwdriver. Got a little clip right there. Clip right there. And I just popped it out. So there's that. And so I got two bolts. And this here center thing, once you get these screws out, be sure to pop this out. Pop slides out. Alright, and so the door should be ready to come off here. Best place you usually start on these is the bottom. Okay, so that's out. I might have to do this with two hands here. But basically, let me see. Alright, looks like there's something right up and over here. Just pops out. Yeah, there's no screws back there, it just was holding it in with the clip. And right in here, I'm gonna have some wires. So we got one clip right there. And looks like there's another one right over here on the bottom right. Just a little light. So there's three of those. Put your door to the side. And we got some plastic. How sticky this stuff is. Looks like it's got one bolt right there, and it's got another one right in there. So, and a light hooked to it. So I think that's what that is. And some wires going to it. So I'm gonna go and pop those off. Okay, I had to hook the panel back up to roll the window down just a bit because this little bar was in the way of one of these screws. So you might want to crack the window. I don't have it cracked much. Might even be able to come down a little bit more, I'm gonna see. But I had to hook this panel back up temporarily. This is a big one. And these use a 10 millimeter. So you can pop these out. I'm just using a little line drive set socket. Okay, so I got those out. Like I said, all they use is a 10 millimeter. I pulled this left side towards me and it just slid. yeah, I put the key in, and this is the other side. Looks like the little one's gonna come out, which that's not really broken. So, but I might have to take it out. Not sure. Might be able to leave that one in there. Looks like mine, the clip broke right around it on this right side here, right here. Okay, for me, I got this piece off right here. It was just, I just spun it around from this tip. Right here on the tip. Not sure wherever yours is broken at, but this little piece was my broken, how it broke off in there, which looks to be this little piece. So I need to get this on the other side and feed it in there. So let me see here. I'm gonna guess I gotta go in like this somehow, get it to click in there, and then get this pushed back in over here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got that in started in there on this side. I just pushed it in. I'm gonna go and push this all back together right now. Okay, so I got this bolt back in here. I still don't got that side in. I gotta roll this up. I just want to get the bolt in here. I didn't tighten it. I just got it in there finger tight. I'm gonna go and roll this window up, try to get this other side in. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to show you something real fast. I'm just in here trying to figure out this door latch, and this here plastic part right here, this comes from the new door latch, and it's sticking through. And this here little plastic, it's got a line that pops up and down right here, and you can see where it opens and shuts the door. If you push up on this black plastic part will snap onto around it. So make sure this comes in and goes around that. I wish I could get a better shot. I don't know if you can see in there very well, but basically that little black plastic thing needs to go around that. Push up and down on this, because you'll see this bar, you see that it opens and shuts the latch from right here. So, and hopefully you can see what I'm saying. Wish I could get a better shot. I still just got that in finger tight, so I got that. And next I need to try to stick on this over here with the lock with the little piece. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the little piece in there. I put this key in because I was trying to get the key closer to here. It might not be a good idea, I'm not sure. I couldn't get it to move towards me, so I had to move it, try to get the key in there to move it towards me. But I got that in there, and again, I'm not sure if you can see in there, but right there's where that bolt goes. So I got it all lined up. I look at it with look in there. So I'm gonna go and stick the bolt in there, this long one. So I got that all lined up. I'm gonna go and stick this bolt, put it in there. Okay, so I got that bolt in there. I tightened up this side over here too. I didn't have to roll the window back down. I just slanted this up and in there. Don't tighten these down too much because it's all plastic. And so looks like it's all working. I winded up using the old one here, but that doesn't matter. This old little piece is working, so no big deal. Looks like it's good. I just gotta put this in here. So it's not that hard. I'd say the hardest part is trying to get these little pieces lined up. If you look, take your time. It's not too difficult. The main thing is to get that big plastic knob that comes in right here. Get that around the door thingy, because when it pulls out, it pulls on that. You see that bar move? It's got to pull on that to come out, and then you put the little piece together and screw that bolt on. At least that's the way it worked for me. And then I tighten up this side. So that's basically it. I'm gonna go and put my panel back on, but that's basically it. If you got any questions, ask me, and I'll try to answer them.